Welcome. In this video I will show you how to delay battery draining on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. So first of all, let's simply enable the power saving mode, which is a complex solution to this issue, which is available with just one click. And to enable it, right click the battery icon on your taskbar, go to power and sleep settings from here. Go to Energy Saver, expand this menu, and simply switch this toggle to the right. You can also switch this toggle, which lets you toggle lowering screen brightness, to the left so that your brightness stays the same, but all the other settings apply. And your battery will actually drain slower using this one solution. Then also go to power mode and change it from balanced to best power efficiency. However, to do that, we're gonna have to first disable the energy saver and then change it to best power efficiency. But basically it can be also used as an alternative to the energy saver if you don't want to use energy saver on your laptop. Now the next thing we have to do is change screen sleep and hibernate timeouts to recommended values. So just expand this list and check which values are recommended, or if you think it's possible for you to use your PC comfortably, you can also change these values to even lower ones, lower than recommended, but I cannot personally recommend doing so. The next thing that we can do is lower the screen brightness. You can open your taskbar, find this slider and move the circle to the left to the point where you're still feeling comfortable with the brightness on your device. And now the next thing is disabling the applications that use a lot of your battery power. To do that, right-click the taskbar, select Task Manager, and then in Task Manager, let's right-click one of the 4 columns we see right here, and then let's select Power Usage. And this way, we will see the applications that use the most of the battery power on our device. We can sort them by this column. And if you see that some application is using a lot of your battery power, you can disable it by right-clicking it and selecting End Task. But make sure you don't disable any system applications here. So if it's a third-party app and you know that it is, then you can safely turn it off and lower your battery consumption. Besides, go to Startup Apps menu on the sidebar, sort the applications by status here. And if you see some game launchers or messengers or any third-party apps that you don't want to launch, that you want to launch automatically when you start up your PC, you just have to right-click next to this application and select Disable. And once it's disabled, it will not automatically start with your laptop, and this will also significantly increase the battery draining on your device. Now, besides, what you should do is keep your device up to date, which you can do pretty easily by opening the Start menu, then go into Settings, then to Windows Update on the sidebar, and check in for updates by clicking right here. Check for available updates. If your device finds any, they will be downloaded and installed automatically. All you're gonna have to do is wait and then maybe restart your laptop afterwards for the changes to be applied. But keeping your software up to date is always a great thing to do. And now, besides, we can also help our device with the battery drain issue using not a third-party app, but an official HP Support Assistant application, which is not available by default. It's not a pre-installed app, not on all their laptops at least. So if you don't have it on your laptop, you just have to open a web browser and search for HP Support Assistant. Download it from the official support.hp.com website. just open it and click download HP Support Assistant 9. This will start a download of the exe file, which you have to simply run and click yes, and then go through the installation process, which is very simple. All you have to do is click next, accept the license agreement, next, next, and until it's basically done, and then you will have this app icon on your desktop. And if you don't want it, you can still access this application from the start menu. So once you open this application, select continue as guest, so we don't have to sign into our account or create an account. And after that, first of all, let's go to the third tab on the sidebar, and let's optimize our device's performance by launching this feature, which will basically perform a quick optimization check on our device and help our device work smoother. So let's run this feature, and then click next. Then you can choose some additional actions for your optimization. For example, emptying recycle bin, cleaning web browser's history, and doing all this stuff. But basically, you just have to click the optimize icon right here and let this app optimize stuff for you. And this is also a good practice, and you should do this every once in a while. And besides, in the very same app, we can go to the home menu and check the battery status. Now, this is not a solution, but here we can actually check the current state of the battery, the current status of the battery, even the temperature if you'd like to. Now we can run the battery check, but the thing is to check the current battery state. So as you can see, mine says 100%, which means that the current battery percentage is the battery capacity is 100%, which means that this battery is totally healthy. But if your battery status is not normal and your battery state is significantly lower than 100%, then maybe it's a great time for you to simply replace your battery before your laptop even stops even turning on, because at some point you will, one way or another, you're gonna have to replace your battery as it simply gets older and it gets more used, and as it gets used more, it also decreases in productivity and performance, and therefore at some point you will simply have to replace your battery to fix the battery drain issue. And this app will also perform you when the right time is, so this app is actually a great tool for that. And that's basically it. That's all the tips for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.